to another episode of
Homemade Variety.
Homemade Variety. That is our new name. Okay, today we are going to, since it's summertime, we are going to start with potato salad. Homemade potato salad. The way I do mine is a creamy potato salad, not the chunks. So today we start off with russet potatoes, usually about 10 to 12 medium-sized russet potatoes, depends on the size. Today I've got about 11 because these are medium size. I've already got most of them cut up. Just going to cut them up like this, and we're going to put them on the stove and let them cook. We're going to start them off in cold water. This will take about 20 to 30 minutes for this to cook. Once that's cooked, I will come back and show you how to finish the potato salad. Right now, my assistant has a little special to say.
Alright, here is an announcement we have. We are going to start a new little gimmick for our channel during the next round of videos, and I like to call it the Summer Series, where it's a bracket challenge where you decide what foods you would prefer over another, and we'll see who gets the first ever Summer Series champion. Isn't that right?
Right, what food gets it, not the person, the food.
The food.
Right.
So today's matchup is going to be between the potato salad over there and barbecue sauce.
All right.
So say in the comments which one you prefer. I'll ask the people I know which one they would prefer, and we'll come next week with the final result. Alright.
All right. Okay, we'll be back in about 30 minutes and show you how I put it all together. Okay, we are back. I have my potatoes have boiled and are done. I have already drained them. So what we're going to do them just like mashed potatoes. I am going to start off with my blender. Going to mash them up like this. And this you're going to just season to your own taste. I am going to add now probably about 3 tablespoons of butter. Well, probably about 4 here. We like lots of butter in our potatoes. Going to get them mashed up good. To this, I'm going to add about a teaspoon of salt, about a half a teaspoon of pepper, I have here some half and half. I'm just going to kind of start pouring it in. This here, I don't want it as creamy as I would my regular mashed potatoes because we're going to have other things to put in it. Okay, so I put about a fourth of a cup probably of my half and half in there. My potatoes are mashed up pretty good.
Looking delicious.
Okay, to this I've already chopped up me 2 boiled eggs. Adding. And I've got about 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish. Like I said, this is the creamy style of potato salad, not the chunks. Okay, now that looks pretty good. Now then we're going to start making our other sauce that we're going to put in. I'm going to start off with a 1/4 cup of sugar, a 1/4 cup of water, and a 1/4 cup of white vinegar. Okay, we are going to stir that up. I'm going to take it over to the stove, and this we're going to let it come to a boil. Oh, I forgot. I've got to put a tablespoon of mustard. I'm sorry. I thought I had everything. I'm sorry. I need a tablespoon of mustard. If I can get enough of Dijon mustard, that's what I usually like to use.
While she's doing that, now would be a good time to ask you to subscribe.
Like and subscribe and make comments. We'd like to hear what you think about the food that we cook, or the types of food that we cook. Oops. So, okay, we're going to go over to the stove, and like I said, I'm going to let this, cook this till it comes to a boil. Okay, it's come to a boil, and now then I've beat up 2 eggs, and we're going to just stir that in. Be sure and get it stirred up real good, and then we're going to let this cook for about a couple of minutes. Let me turn the fire down. It's a little bit too fast for my eggs. I don't want them to cook too fast, but a couple of minutes here, and then we'll come back and show you what else we do. We've got it. It's boiled a couple of minutes. We've got it cooked good. So now then what we're going to do is take 1 cup of mayonnaise and add into that mixture. Get it mixed up real good. And then we're going to pour it into the potatoes.
That looks good. Yeah. It's going to taste even better.
Yeah, it'll taste good. We've got some chicken thighs or chicken breast cooking in the bacon in the oven to go with it. Got to get down underneath them potatoes right on the bottom.
This food is good for all kinds of things, like picnics.
Oh yeah, won't be long until the 4th of July is coming up. This would be a good 4th of July to take on a picnic or at home with your cookouts.
Yep, watching fireworks, eating potato salad, that just sounds really good.
Yeah, it sounds pretty good to me too. Okay, I'm going to pour it up in this bowl here. Maybe it will hold it if I can lift it up and do it. Okay. Yeah. Like I said, this is the creamy style. It's what we like more so than the chunks. Okay, there you go. It's hot right now, but as it sets, it's going to thicken up, and it'll be really creamy and good. I hope you try it and enjoy it. And also to all you fathers out there, tomorrow's Father's Day. We hope you have a blessed day. We'll see you in a few days. Have a good night. Thank you.
Oh, and don't forget to vote between barbecue sauce and potato salad for the Food Championship Series, and we'll see who will win the championship. All right?
Food will win. You bet. Thank you.